Hello my loves, it's Kasia, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a meal plan and wellness in two of my planners. So first up is going to be my meal plan. This is for the week of September 23rd through the 29th. I'm going to be using the Autumn Garden and the Fashion Girl from Easter Case. There's a couple girls in the fashion where they are slightly more fallish, and that's what we're gonna use. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before and you're joining me again for another video full of fun, thank you so much for coming again. Say hi on the bottom. I want to just say hi and thank you so much for being here. So let's go ahead and start the spread. As always, full week of meals, and I'm just gonna use these like fall markets and a little house on each of the sides of the plan. As you guys know, this planner is slightly more minimal in decorations than I typically do, as this is fully functional. So this planner is called Cooking 101, and they did not, at least so far, released another planner for meal planning. So I am sort of stuck with possibly creating my own meal planner next year or using the extension packs that I purchased. I am not the most happy with the extension packs, as they are kind of they have some color in them, and I do like my planners very neutral. So we shall see what I will use for next year, but that's to come. I still have a couple months to decide. Let's go ahead and add this beautiful sticker full of sunflowers, because who doesn't love sunflowers? And yes, I just added that girl, and then let's go ahead and add pretty girl in there. Okay, I'm looking for more stickers to add, you guys, so give me a second as I am contemplating on what to add to the spread, as it is kind of a hodgepodge of two sticker books, summer and fall, or Fashion Girl and fall. So the stickers don't necessarily match, but I really do want to make a happy spread. This is leftover from a tree that I cut down. So I'm just gonna use that in the spread, and the colors are beautiful. So here we go. Look at this. Sunflowers, and I think that's gonna work. So let's go ahead and add that right there. I don't know if I can just put more sunflowers in the middle or not. Yeah, let's do that. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so those are the two books for right now. I'm gonna pop this back in, and we're gonna write out my plan for the whole week, especially because I'm off this week, like I mentioned in my previous video. So I'm going to be doing a lot of home meals. So we have avocado toast. Out, I'm gonna have some coffee with my girlfriends, so that'll be good. I always love seeing them. Pizza or just takeout, as I am going to be working on the planner room all day. Hopefully, we shall see. Avocado toast with homegrown tomatoes. I love those. Yum. Soup with like a wrap. That'll be the easiest. I love making simple wraps that are just healthy. Chicken stir fry, which is also very easy. And then again, avocado toast. I do buy like a home baked type of bread, and it's usually either tomato basil or it's like a country bread. So when I do that, I love having avocado toast every day. And then for lunch on Wednesday, I'll have farmer's cheese and hard-boiled eggs. If you're not familiar, it is kind of a Polish thing. So coconut curry with chicken over rice. I love creating Indian cuisine as well. And then let's go ahead and add a little bit more. So sausage skillet with eggs, and that's going to be loaded with veggies. And then on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, my lunch most likely will be snacks, just kind of grabbing things, as when my boyfriend's off with me, we tend to eat breakfast a lot later. So I'm gonna make an egg casserole, and then again snacks. Burger bowl for dinner on Thursday, turkey meatballs on Friday. If you guys don't know what burger bowl is, it's basically instead of bread, I use some kind of grain, but I chop up all of the ingredients that would go into a burger and you put it in a bowl. And then egg strata for Saturday, ramen and fajitas for dinner. And then leftovers on Sunday, snacks, and then lacho, which is like a peppery stew, for dinner. And that is my week. I think it is pretty good. And I have all of the ingredients at home already, so I am excited to get going. My second planner is the beautiful Celestial Elegance, and this is my wellness planner. Even though it is just a vertical planner, I still create with this quite often. Actually, every week. And it seems like I have created my own kind of recipe for this planner where it seems to be working. So, and the stickers I'm using today are from Crafty Planner Queen. If you guys don't know about her, check her out for sure. She is amazing. I love creating with her stickers. So this one is from a $2 Tuesday. So she has these Tuesdays where she sends all of us some images if you're in a club, and you download them and print them and make your own stickers. So you can cut them by hand or by machine if you have one, and it's amazing. And like I said, every week it's only $2, and you pay monthly, and it's absolutely amazing. So here we go. I also purchased quite a bit from her Etsy shop because, like I said, I love her dolls and her stickers are just incredible. So that's what it is. You can use Kasha 15 for 15% off if you do end up buying from her. Look at these pumpkins. Oh my gosh, I am like so in love with these stickers. These girls are just so chic. Absolutely amazing. So, Perfectly Imperfect. Like I said, her stickers are just amazing. And I do have this lovely washi that I purchased from Easter Case. If you guys remember my haul, if you watched it, I'm gonna use that. They're kind of big splotches, but I love having coffee things in my spread, especially because this girl is holding coffee. So how can I not? But yeah, look how beautiful. And we're going to put a little coffee on top. If I were to fall in love, it would have to be with your eyes and smile, I think it said. Yeah, so I'm just making those dots. So as always, it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, and then meds, mood, sleep, and steps. Okay. A little bit of that, a little bit of this. So I'm just adding few things that I really like. She is strong, brave, fierce, full of fire. Yes, she is. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of this coffee stains, but I'm gonna cut them. And I think it's gonna look pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is a little bit different for me, but I thought this was going to be a fun addition to my September. Lots of coffee, Lots of different little elements for fall. Be original. Look at that. So cute, right? I know, I keep saying it's cute, but it is. Okay, so I don't know. I need a couple more things. I need probably a little bit more coffee stain. I don't know. Okay, let's cut this and see. I'm gonna add what this is, so when I show you guys, I know what it is. But this particular piece is called Cozy Confidence. Okay, the little acorns, look how adorable this is. Okay, a little bit more of the coffee splashes. I pulled up smaller ones so I could make like so. And that is it. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. Let me know what you guys think. As always, I have to name my little dots. But outside of that, we are all done. If you would be so kind to comment and let me know if you guys like the spread. What do you think about the addition of coffee splashes to these? And I can't wait to see you guys again for another video. Have a great day and have a great week ahead. Bye.